This is a fantastic opportunity to own a large lifestyle property of 48 hectares with a very well presented 3-bedroom home in the highly desirable rural community of Crownthorpe, approximately 30 minutes from Stortford Lodge. Silt loam soils and flat to rolling contour offer plenty of scope for buyers, with adjoining blocks being used for viticulture, horses and grazing. The block is subdivided into 14 paddocks with approximately 4 hectares deer fenced, and is currently used to finish cattle and early lambing ewes, with all lambs finished prime and winter lambs traded. Under the current owners, fertiliser has been regularly applied. Fertiliser history and soil tests are available on request. Reliable spring-fed water systems are troughed to every paddock. There are also a number of dams around the property. Cattle, deer and sheep yards allow for a variety of pastoral farming. Ancillary buildings include a recently built 4-bay pole shed, large lockable 3-bay colour steel roller door shed and timber deer shed with crush and loadout. Elevated to encompass views over the property into the ranges, the home offers open plan living that flows to decks on both sides, providing additional outdoor entertaining. 2 double and a single bedroom all take advantage of the views of the property, with separate office and internal 2-car garaging. A separate 2-bedroom sleepout not consented will provide further options. The Kikofero stream runs the entire length of the southern boundary, approximately 1 kilometre, adding an attractive recreation area that could be enhanced. It is rare for a property of this size with such diverse opportunity to come to the market. For sale by tender unless sold prior by private treaty and sold plus GST if any. Don't delay, contact us to organise a viewing.